lovely people.
Hi guys. Giant versus tiny time.
Ooh, let's check what's inside. Oopsies, Abdullah got a small ice cream. That's a big bite. Abdullah, you're eating it too fast. Oh my God, you're gonna get your brain freezed. Oh, thank God you put it back.
Open it. Hey.
Oh my God, giant lollipop. Oops, where did Abdullah go? He's back now. Magic. Open Sim Sim.
Wow.
Oh, so many candies. Different colors, flavors, yummy. Don't fight, you both will get hurt.
Can I have one, please? Please,
Oh,
please.
Munta is such a good girl. She's sharing. Sharing is caring. Wow, a blue lollipop.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, Abdullah, your lollipop is broken.
Sit together.
Three different flavored lollipops. Must taste yummy.
Oh no.
Now what happened to you? Open.
Huh? Nothing. Small pizza.
Abdullah, teasing is a bad habit.
Gummy pizza.
The gummy pizza sure looks tasty.
Wow, look guys.
Don't eat it. Huh? What's that noise? Oh my, a pizza. Let's open.
Oh, giant pizza.
Oh my God, it's so cheesy.
That's yummy. That's giant.
Huge bite. I'm hungry. Subscribe and also like if you want to eat that pizza. Oopsies, Abdullah, you ate it too much. You're fat now. Big or small? Oh my, what a long gummy.
You can share me.
Oh my, what a small piece of gummy.
I can eat this.
Yummy. You guys are having fun, right?
Yes, race.
Okay, let's see who finishes first. Quickly eat it. Eat it, Muntaha. Abdullah is the winner.
Look at it's like donuts. Oh yes, it's like candy.
That seems so delicious. Be careful, don't break your teeth. Is it too sour?
Too sour. It's still not sour, Mike.
Wow, too many candies. Looks like Munta is having fun. What's inside?
I'll go first. Okay.
Let's check what's inside this. Oh, fish up. Yeah. Looks delicious but also small.
Small. I guess I will eat it.
I wish I could eat that. Abdullah, you're taking too much big bites.
Uh-oh.
Oh my God, Munta, giant cake? Yes. Abdullah, that's not very nice. Oh no. Laughing at others is a bad habit. Yummy bites. Uh-oh, Abdullah's gonna steal the chocolate. Abdullah, is it nice? Muntaha's face is filled with chocolate. Yummy. Oh my, Abdullah has nothing. Muntaha, you have such a small chewing gum. What a long gum. I wish I could have it. That sure looks delicious.
Give me a dinner.
Let's see see if Abdullah shares.
Okay.
Yum. Oh my.
Yummy.
It tastes yummy, right? Like and subscribe if you like the video.